Welcome to our exploration of luxury and creativity in interior design. In this video, we will showcase 15 unique art installations that can elevate your living space, making it not just a home, but a refined sanctuary of inspiration. From breathtaking suspended kinetic sculptures to mesmerizing digital and interactive art walls, each piece is designed to captivate and enhance any luxurious interior. Join us as we dive into a world of artistic innovation, perfect for those who appreciate the finer things in life. 1. Suspended kinetic sculpture. Suspended kinetic sculptures have the power to transform any space into a dynamic and captivating environment. These installations dance with the air, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that draws the eye and sparks the imagination. Often made from lightweight materials like aluminum or acrylic, they move gracefully in response to the slightest breeze. This movement can mimic the fluidity of nature, such as the swaying of trees or the ripple of water, adding a serene and organic touch to interior spaces. Suspended sculptures are perfect for large atriums or open-plan living areas where their full motion can be appreciated. The play of light on these moving pieces can also create beautiful reflections and shadows, enhancing the overall ambiance of the room. 2. Digital and interactive art walls. Digital and interactive art walls are a cutting-edge way to incorporate art into luxurious interiors. These installations often involve large screens or projections that display dynamic artworks, which can change over time or in response to viewer interaction. Imagine a wall that responds to your presence, altering its colors or patterns as you move through the room. This type of art engages the viewer in a unique and personal way, making each experience with the piece unique. Digital art can also be updated or changed easily, allowing for a versatile and evolving display that can adapt to different moods or events. These installations are ideal for tech-savvy homeowners looking to make a bold statement in their interior design. 3. Oversized glass and crystal installations. Oversized glass and crystal installations bring an element of elegance and sophistication to any interior. The transparency and refractive qualities of glass allow it to play beautifully with light, creating dazzling displays of color and pattern. Crystal installations can range from massive chandeliers to intricate wall panels, each piece crafted to capture and reflect light in stunning ways. The sheer scale of these installations can create a sense of awe and grandeur, making them perfect for entryways or large living spaces. Glass art can also be custom designed to fit the specific aesthetic of a room, offering endless possibilities for personalization and creativity. 4. Textured metal wall art. Textured metal wall art is an excellent option for those seeking to add a touch of industrial chic to their interiors. These pieces can range from smooth, polished surfaces to rugged, oxidized finishes, each offering a different tactile and visual experience. Metal art can be crafted in a variety of styles, from abstract designs to detailed, sculptural forms. The use of metals like copper, brass, or steel can introduce a warm, metallic sheen to a space, while also providing a durable and long-lasting art piece. Textured metal installations are particularly effective in modern or minimalist interiors, where their bold presence can become a focal point. 5. Living green walls with artistic patterns. Living green walls are a beautiful way to bring the outdoors inside, creating a lush, natural atmosphere within a home. When designed with artistic patterns, these installations become more than just a collection of plants. They transform into living pieces of art. The use of different plant species allows for a variety of textures and colors, which can be arranged in intricate designs or geometric patterns. Green walls not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of a space but also improve air quality and contribute to a healthier indoor environment. These installations are ideal for eco-conscious homeowners looking to merge art with sustainability. 6. 3D printed sculptures. 3D printed sculptures represent the intersection of art and technology, offering a modern twist on traditional sculpture techniques. These pieces can be crafted with incredible precision and detail, allowing for intricate designs that would be difficult to achieve by hand. 3D printing technology also allows for a wide range of materials to be used, from plastics and metals to more experimental substances like biodegradable polymers. These sculptures can be custom-made to fit any space or aesthetic, providing a level of personalization that is truly unique. As a conversation starter, 3D printed art showcases the technological advancements in art creation, making it a fascinating addition to any luxurious interior. 7. Ceiling murals and sky installations. Ceiling murals and sky installations offer a unique way to add visual interest to the often overlooked fifth wall of a room. These installations can create the illusion of an open sky, a starry night, or even a complex fresco, transforming the ceiling into a captivating work of art. The use of perspective and color can make a space feel larger and more open, while also providing a sense of depth and dimension. Ceiling art is ideal for rooms with high ceilings, where it can be appreciated from a distance. This type of installation can dramatically change the atmosphere of a space, making it feel more expansive and luxurious. 8. Mirrored and reflective installations. Mirrored and reflective installations are a brilliant way to play with light and space in an interior. These pieces can range from large mirrored panels to intricate mosaic designs, each reflecting light and color in unique ways. The use of mirrors can create the illusion of a larger, more open space, making them particularly effective in smaller rooms or areas with limited natural light. Reflective installations can also add a touch of glamour and sophistication, their shiny surfaces creating a sense of movement and energy. These installations are perfect for creating dynamic, eye-catching focal points in any luxurious interior. 9. Floating marble or stone art panels. Floating marble or stone art panels bring the timeless beauty of natural materials into modern interiors. These installations often feature large slabs of stone that appear to hover against a wall, their natural patterns and textures creating a stunning visual effect. Marble and stone are materials that evoke a sense of luxury and permanence, their weight and solidity contrasting beautifully with the illusion of weightlessness. These panels can be used to create dramatic feature walls or as elegant backdrops for other design elements. The natural variations in color and pattern found in stone make each installation unique, adding an element of exclusivity to any space. 10. Fiber optic light installation. Fiber optic light installations offer a magical and ethereal way to illuminate an interior. These installations use thin strands of glass or plastic fibers to transmit light, creating delicate and intricate patterns that seem to float in the air. The flexibility of fiber optics allows for a wide range of designs, from cascading waterfalls of light to starry night skies. These installations can be used to create ambient lighting effects, adding a sense of wonder and enchantment to a space. Fiber optic art is perfect for creating a serene and calming atmosphere, making it an ideal choice for bedrooms or relaxation areas. 11. Sculptural fire and water features. Sculptural fire and water features bring the elemental beauty of nature into interior spaces, creating a sense of drama and tranquility. Fire features, such as indoor fireplaces or fire pits, add warmth and a dynamic visual element, their flickering flames creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Water features, such as fountains or waterfalls, introduce a calming presence, the sound of flowing water providing a soothing backdrop. These installations can be designed as standalone sculptures or integrated into larger design elements, offering endless possibilities for creativity. Fire and water features are perfect for creating a focal point in living areas or outdoor spaces. 12. Augmented reality, AR, art. Augmented reality, AR, art is a cutting-edge way to experience art in a digital age. These installations use technology to overlay digital images onto the real world, creating interactive and immersive experiences. Viewers can use smartphones or tablets to explore these artworks, which can change or respond to their interactions. AR art allows for a level of engagement and interactivity that traditional art cannot offer, making it a fascinating addition to any modern interior. This type of installation is perfect for tech enthusiasts or those looking to create a truly unique and innovative art experience in their home. 13. Large-scale handwoven textile art. Large-scale handwoven textile art brings the warmth and texture of fabric into luxurious interiors. These installations can range from intricate tapestries to expansive wall hangings, each piece crafted with skill and artistry. The use of textiles adds a tactile dimension to a space, their softness and warmth contrasting beautifully with harder materials like wood or metal. Handwoven art can be designed in a wide range of styles, from traditional patterns to contemporary abstract designs, allowing for endless possibilities for personalization. These installations are perfect for adding a touch of comfort and elegance to any interior. 14. Kinetic light installations. Kinetic light installations combine movement and illumination to create dynamic and captivating artworks. These pieces often involve moving lights or changing colors, creating a constantly evolving display that engages the viewer. The use of light allows for a wide range of effects, from subtle, ambient glows to bold, dramatic displays. Kinetic light art can be used to highlight architectural features or create unique focal points within a space. These installations are perfect for those looking to add a sense of energy and excitement to their interiors, making them ideal for modern and contemporary design themes. 15. Abstract resin and epoxy wall installations. Abstract resin and epoxy wall installations offer a modern and artistic way to incorporate texture and color into interiors. These pieces are created by layering pigments and materials within a resin medium, resulting in vibrant and intricate designs. The glossy finish of resin adds a sense of depth and dimension, while also providing a durable and long-lasting art piece. Abstract designs can range from swirling, fluid patterns to bold, geometric shapes, offering a wide range of styles to suit any aesthetic. Resin and epoxy art is perfect for creating striking feature walls or adding a pop of color to neutral spaces.